Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum price action, where we have been starting to see a downtrend on the 1 hourly candles, and we are currently seeing a very interesting bullish divergence playing out right now on the Ethereum 1 hourly candles. And as well, we are going to discuss this, of course. In today's video we are going to go over as well one of the most important upward sloping support lines right now here, and one of the most critical hidden bullish divergences that we're currently seeing here right now on the price action of Ethereum on the 4 hourly candles. As well, we're going to go over our price target of the rising wedge here, and much more are the things that we're going to discuss today here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. As well, guys, if you're going to smash up the like button right now here, you will be meaning the world to me, first of all, and as well, you will be supporting the whole cryptocurrency industry, since the more people that are going to like crypto content, the more people that are going to get exposed to crypto as well here. So make sure to already smash it up right now here before we're going to move in towards the technical analysis here on Ethereum. So with this out of the way, and well, you already smashed it up here, let's start right away with discussing the Ethereum 1 hourly candles here. So it looks to be that Ethereum is currently forming a very critical a regular bullish divergence, since we have been forming a lower low here on the price action, and right now as well we are forming a higher low here on the RSI, like you can clearly see right now on the left side here of my face here. So RSI is forming a higher low here, price action forming a lower low. This shows me, okay, we are seeing the sellers are getting exhausted and the buyers are picking up strength again. So we could be seeing a minor reversal back towards the upside anytime soon here. But I will be very careful right now with trading this, since right now it is clearly in a downtrend that we are trading on. And this could be, of course, the signal that we can be seeing a trend reversal. But since right now as well, if you're taking a closer look towards this orange box is a major level of previous support and resistance. So you can see here, resistance, previous support, previous resistance, previous support, excuse me. And right now we are retesting this level as resistance, since we have been closing 1 hourly candle below it. So that is a thing that I want to be telling to you guys. So I am getting a little bit scared right now. I am getting a little bit more cautious, since we could be maybe see a very significant correction from this level, even though we're creating a bullish divergence. So I personally think that this bullish divergence will be playing out in either a move back towards the upside, back towards $3,200, or either some sideways action for Ethereum, but at least not another leg down here in the imminent short term. So make sure that you're paying attention towards this one. But I mean, if I'm looking at the 4 hourly candles, I'm getting very exciting, since we are seeing a bullish divergence right now playing out on the 1 hourly candles on Ethereum. But if we're going to go further in towards the 4 hourly candles, I mean, I maybe really want to be opening a position here to, of course, long the price action of Ethereum, since right now on the 4 hourly candles, yes, we are trading below the orange box over here, but we are seeing a very huge signal of a lower low here on the price action, lower low here on the RSI. And this is very critical, since the RSI is right now forming a lower low, guys, and the price action is forming a higher low. This is, of course, a hidden bullish divergence. This is a very significant trading signal, a very significant divergence signal, that we could be seeing a very significant rise towards the upside, since divergences are strong if you're seeing them on the 1 hourly candles. But if you are seeing them on the 4 hourly candles, they could be even stronger, and we could be even see a more significant rise towards the upside. So yeah, this is making me feel pretty interesting and pretty excited about the price action right now of Ethereum. It looks to be that we are, of course, still are getting respected by this upper sloping support line, already approximately 4 touches, of course, like you can clearly see over here, and every single time we're getting respected by it. But you have to know, the more times we're going to retest this level, the more likely it is going to be that we're going to break below it. And I will be right away going to say this, because since if we are going to break below this level, and if we're going to go for a retest of this level once again here, you could be opting for a very beautiful short position, and we could be maybe even see lower prices. Since right now, if I'm going to look at the daily candles, I'm getting pretty bearish right now on Ethereum, but I will be talking about the daily candles in a second. So if I'm not taking this orange box over here, but if I'm putting it on the top side, it could be as well so that we are maybe forming some kind of a continuation pattern of an ascending triangle, and this could be for sure playing out here. This can be taking way more time of consolidation, and it will be, of course, very healthy for Ethereum and for Bitcoin to just go sideways for a bit here. Of course, it will be killing our trading opportunities for maybe the coming week here, but what will be playing out here is a very good risk to reward setup if we're going to consolidate in this range here. So I'm really looking forward towards how this is going to play out here. So what is going to be extremely important for me right now here is to see Ethereum holding on towards this level, and if we're going to move up from here on, Going back towards the orange box, I will be definitely be careful as well with longing the market, but right now I want to be seeing some more significance getting added here on this significant pattern, and we could be maybe opting for one of the most huge and most biggest Ethereum breakouts here in the coming, let me say this right away, here in the coming 10 days here. So yeah, we could be seeing a lot of sideways and a lot of boring price action here for the coming week here, but it will be resulting in a huge breakout anytime soon here. So this is personally my anticipation of my main pattern that I'm looking at. I will be for sure looking for sideways action, but as soon as Bitcoin is going to drop off, we are going to see Ethereum follow. As soon as Bitcoin going to pump, Ethereum is going to follow as well here. So definitely everything can still happen here, but I would love to see some consolidation playing out on this specific pattern to even trade this one. So if I'm going to look further, and if I'm going to take a clear approach here on this different channel that we discussed yesterday in our video, we were discussing, of course, a rising wedge that we were creating, a typical bearish bias pattern, and I was discussing as soon as we're seeing a 4-hourly candle below the supportive line, we are going to see lower price targets getting reached here, and we clearly did so, since, of course, on the point of the breakdown, we were seeing an approximately drop-off of already 6% here. So yeah, this was beautiful to see here, and it will be lovely if you saw the video yesterday as well here, since we're doing these updates every single day here. If you're going to go into the 1-hourly candles, you were seeing some significance of this pattern here, but it was of course way less than we would like to see. Of course, if you draw it like this, you were seeing some more significance on the support over there, but we failed to hold on towards it. So yeah, it looks pretty interesting, of course, and it is pretty unfortunate that we broke down here. But right now, mainly, I will be anticipating a minor move towards the upside / sideways action for Ethereum. So if we're looking to the daily candles, I've already adjusted in the beginning of this video. I'm getting a little bit more worried, since on the daily candles we are seeing some things right now playing out that are not looking so bright here if we're talking about a daily trend here. So we were seeing Ethereum rising up very quickly. After that, it's cooled off basically, and right now it is losing steam, it's losing valuation, and it's especially, let me get these momentum indicators in front of me, it is losing momentum, and this is making me feel pretty weird right now. And yesterday, of course, I made a video here on my channel that I sold approximately 20% of my portfolio, and Ethereum was definitely one of that. It was a little bit of Ethereum that I sold, of course. I already did it on 50k, approximately $3,400 for Ethereum, and of course, I announce every single thing what I do here on the channel and what I do with my own portfolio, and you guys really seem to enjoy it. So yeah, I clearly want to be transparent with you guys. So there are several reasons for it why I did it. Of course, purely I based it off Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is right now looking a little bit worse. That is the reason why I did so. But if I'm right now taking a clear look as well to Ethereum, you can see some very, very interesting things right now playing out on the daily candle. So first of all, you're seeing decreasing MACD momentum. So the MACD, I mean, the price action is still going, aka sideways / up here, while the MACD is dropping off here, showing us that the buyers are losing strength and the sellers are getting their strength back in the market. As well, if we're looking to the RSI, we are seeing decreasing RSI, increasing price valuation, bearish divergence playing out along the way up here, as well giving me a signal that we could be opting for a very significant correction. And then one of the other most important indicators is, of course, the money flow. And I always want to be looking for multiple confirmations, and if I'm right now as well looking to the money flow, I want to be getting pretty bearish right now, since of course we saw it exactly playing out on the top over here as well. We were seeing the money flow dropping off very quickly. This is just giving you a very, very, very bearish signal that could be, of course, opting and signaling that we could be seeing a downwards pressure coming in towards the market. But right now we're seeing the exact same thing playing out right here. We're seeing the prices still increase from here on, of course, and we were seeing the money flow dropping off so significantly. We are seeing the buyers are not strong enough anymore. It looks to be that the sellers can be regaining the strength in the market, and that we could be going for a very significant correction, maybe back towards the $2,800 before really continuing this rally up here, since I do believe that we're going to see a new all-time this year, but we have to wait ever so slightly before we are going to see so. So yeah, want to be raising the awareness right now here. Daily is looking extremely bad, and that is the reason why I did took some profits, and I will be trying to anticipate to buy back around the $2,800 range, since I think that's a better accumulation zone before we're really going to move up here. Maybe we even going to see the $2,600 before moving up here. And I've already adjusted in several tweets here, guys. I'm a momentum trader, so I will be trying to catch the momentum right now towards the downside, since the momentum looks to be shifting over here. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this significant move here. But if I'm very honest here, Bitcoin dominance looking pretty solid right now here. You can see rising wedge breakdown here. This could be maybe still signaling that Ethereum could be seeing some more valuation gain here. But this generally looks very strong right now here. So guys, this was the video right now for you guys here on Ethereum. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're going to wait as well with me me, because yeah, we are not in a big hurry. But let me know in the comment section right now if you're going to wait for me to take this significant trade here, either towards the upside or either towards the downside. If we're going to break down, I will be entering on a retest. If we're going to break up, I will be entering on a retest as well here. So make sure to keep your eyes out here on my Twitter page at RoverCRC if you want to be joining me with this next trade here. Guys, this was already it for today's video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.